Hi, this is Sushita Mukhopadhyay. I work as a scientist in the USA, so I work on semiconductor technology research. And my parents stay back in India, in Kolkata, which is my native place. So I'll begin with how I came across Arvindji. I came across Arvindji through YouTube when I was watching, obviously, Sushant Singh Rajput's video. So then I realized how spot on his predictions were. So I decided to contact him for a different reason. But then through my interactions with him, when he took my personal details and made some predictions on some ongoing issues in my life, in the life of my parents, and in the life of people who were close or associated with me, I realized that they were very, very true. So then I knew that I was with the correct person and with the correct healer. So he emphasized on how important it was to balance our chakras and how important it is for us to work on it daily, so and to rise to the next spiritual level, and also to deal with some of the ongoing spiritual level problems in our life which are causing us even health issues. So I began working on my father with him. He predicted what ongoing issues that were with him, which were causing him some troubles, which were coming from some of his past people that were associated with him. And then he started working on some of his chakras and sent some necessary materials back to my parents in my native, so it reached on time. And then my parents used them in the appropriate way. So there are certain instructions that were given by him on how to use certain things like angel blessings or certain crystals, etc. So you will have the details when you get the healings done from him. So my parents have been using them in the right way, and my father has been feeling increasingly positive every day. He is feeling very energetic given his age, and I'm very, very happy about this transformation in him. Of course, the further effects are ongoing, but to begin with, there were certain effects and certain vibration elevations that he started immediately after taking healings from him. So these things are really some of the things that I was looking to get from his healing, and I'm so glad it started out on the right track. So, and I'm definitely going to recommend him for anybody who are suffering issues because of chakra imbalances. I definitely suggest that you should approach him because he's a very good healer. He is able to identify certain problems and associate them with your spiritualities and certain loopholes in your spirituality which you often would not be able to identify because we are actually so busy, so engrossed in our life and so stressed. And the key to getting all of this, getting positive results from all of this is staying positive and hopeful. Positivity is very, very important in life. So when you get your healings done from him, you have to make sure your mind is always positive. So I myself is in a stressful profession where it is very difficult to keep up your positivity, but you must, whether your chakras are healed or not, you must try to always think positive and always think that great changes are coming your way. If your intentions are good, if the energy flow is in the correct direction, things will manifest as you want them to be. So good luck, and I definitely recommend him. And thank you so much, Arvind.